Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is something that many of you have been asking me about: how to gain followers on TikTok without showing your face. Now I know that can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's definitely possible. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that you can use to increase your following in TikTok without ever revealing your face. So if you are ready, let's get started. So before get starting, I want you guys to like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So the first tip is to focus on your niche. Okay, so the first tip I have for you is to focus on your niche. When you are creating content on TikTok, it's important to have a specific niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to fashion to fitness. By focusing on your niche, you will be able to create content that is targeted towards your audience, which will help you to gain more followers. Okay, so I will just show you some accounts here, like if you just allow me to do so. Now now look, let's suppose that if you play games. Okay, let's suppose that if you play games, then your niche can be ga- gaming. Okay, and if you go deep into this niche, that let's suppose that if you are a PUBG player, okay, so then your niche is about PUBG. So if I just open up any account here like PUBG, and I go to the videos here, and let me just show you one simple account. So just go on to this video over here, and if we just open up now, now if we just open up this account here, you will see that this account will have all the PUBG videos here. Okay, so let me just switch my internet, let me just show you here. So now you will see that this account will contain only PUBG videos. So if we just open this account here, now here you can see that this account has only PUBG videos. So that's the niche I am talking about. Now if this account uploads any other video other than this PUBG gameplay, they will not get any kind of views. Why? Because all of their audience are those who like PUBG game. So that's the thing that I am talking about. You have to focus on your niche. Okay, and then the second option there is, which is basically use popular hashtags. The second tip I have for you is to use popular hashtags are a great way to get your content in front of a larger audience. Make sure to use hashtags that are relevant to your niche and that are currently trending on TikTok. This will help your content to be discovered by people who are interested in what you have to offer. So what you can do here, like you can basically use popular hashtags, and then you have to use relevant hashtags according to your video. Now if we look at this video over here, this is a PUBG gameplay video. So this person has used just three hashtags here. Okay, and that is all related to their content. So you have to use popular hashtag, and then the hashtags that are relevant to your content. Okay, now the third tip I have for you is to collaborate with other creators in your niche. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to expand your reach on TikTok. Find other creators who are in your niche and reach out to them to see if they are interested in collaborating on a video together. This could be anything from a dance video to a cooking tutorial. By collaborating with others, you will be able to tap into their audience, which will help you gain more followers here. So the fourth tip I have for you is to use text overlays and voiceovers. If you are not comfortable showing your face on TikTok, you can still create engaging content by using text overlays and voiceovers. Use text overlays to add captions to your videos, and use voiceovers to narrate your content. This will help you to create content that is both informative and entertaining without ever showing your face. So let us just search for uh, this type of content here. So if I just go and type facts here, you will see. So that's the facts that I am talking about. Okay, so let's just बहुत बड़ी दुश्मनी है और पाकिस्तान के पासपोर्ट पर साफ साफ लिखा होता है कि ये पासपोर्ट इसराइल. Okay, so now here you can see that this video over here has like text overlays and then voiceover. Okay, and this video also got like 25.7k views. And if we just opens up their account here, you can see that all of their videos are like this. So these are the top 10 videos. So that's the type of video that I am talking about. Okay, and the number fifth is engage with your audience. The fifth tip I have for you: engage with your audience. When you are trying to grow on your following on TikTok, it's important to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and ask your followers for feedback. By engaging with your audience, you will be able to build a relationship with them, which will help you to gain more followers in the long run. And the last tip that I have for you is to stay consistent on TikTok. Like, minimum upload 4 to 5 videos weekly, or if you can do, just upload one video daily on TikTok. Okay, because if you don't post on TikTok algorithm will think of your account that maybe your account is dead, and then when you upload videos on TikTok with more gap, then TikTok will not push your videos to the more people. So you have to be very very consistent, and also use trending sounds in your TikTok videos. Okay, you just need to go into the home page here, and and while and while scrolling here, uh, the content, or basically the sound that you actually repeat itself so many times, which means that that sound is trending now. So use that sound in your TikTok videos. So there you have it. Those are my top tips for getting more followers on TikTok without showing your face. Remember to focus on your niche, popular hashtags, collaborate with others, use text overlays, voiceovers, and engage with your audience, and use trending sounds. With these tips in mind, you will be able to create engaging content that will help you to grow your following on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.